So we're going to stick with the same quadrant theory that we talked about, which is basically opposites, yin and yang, whatever you want to refer to it as. And we're going to take out several points. First one's been on the arms, so we're going to cover the triple warmer points this side, pericardium points this side. They're both very, very good setup points for the rest of the body anyway. We're going to take out spleen 6 on the ankle. Just to show you how sensitive spleen 6 is, just using a thumb while it's stood up, just squeezing it is enough to make someone jump or react to it. So basically, from a very, very basic self-defense point of view, someone's strangling you this way, the natural thing to do is to try and grab the hands and try and pull them off. You're already on triple warmer points, you're already touching pericardium, and if you can kick a football, it'll give you one of the 3 angles to strike spleen 6 perfect. So if they're close enough to grab you, you're close enough to kick them. He could be stood this way, it's intimidation, he could have one leg forward, you could be pinned up against the wall, doesn't really matter. We're going to come in this way, we're going to grab, we're going to pull it out slightly to get a bit of tension up here, which brings his attention to his upper body, and we're going to sweep this straight through. I want to tap it gently just to show you the effect. So as he grabs hold, boom! That's how you get out of that. Whoa!